Hawaii's Kilauea Volcano is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Since December 2024, it has erupted for the 12th time, making it one of the most frequent volcanic eruptions in recent years. This latest eruption began on Tuesday morning and lasted for 22 hours, with lava fountains reaching heights of 150 to 165 feet. Fortunately, no residential areas were affected. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, and the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory are closely monitoring the situation. The latest eruption occurred within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, providing a rare spectacle for visitors. The volcano spewed hot lava, ash, and gases, creating dramatic visuals in the region. According to scientists, this eruption was more intense than previous ones. Duration: Tuesday morning to Wednesday morning, total 22 hours. Lava: height 150-165 feet. Ash and gas emissions: moderate levels. No casualties or damage reported. Scientific analysis. Scientists believe this eruption is a sign of increased magma activity beneath the volcano. According to the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory, HVO, underground tectonic movements and rising pressure in magma chambers triggered this event. The frequency of such eruptions indicates that Kilauea remains highly active. Historical context and past eruptions. Kilauea has a long history of eruptions, dating back thousands of years. Some of the most notable eruptions include 2018. Destructive eruption. Over 700 homes were destroyed. 2020 and 2021. Eruptions. Smaller in scale but maintained volcanic activity. 2023 and 2024. Recent eruptions. These have been more frequent, raising scientific concerns. Environmental impact. Volcanic eruptions significantly affect local and global environments in various ways. Air pollution. The emission of sulfur dioxide, SO2, leads to volcanic fog, which can cause respiratory issues. Effects on water and vegetation. Lava flows destroy vegetation and impact aquatic ecosystems. Seismic activity. Volcanic eruptions often cause small earthquakes, altering land formations. Government measures and safety precautions. Hawaiian authorities and scientific organizations are always prepared for such eruptions. This time, alert level set to orange, indicating a moderate threat. Tourist safety guidelines. Officials have advised visitors to remain cautious and avoid close proximity to the eruption site. Continuous monitoring by HVO. The observatory is providing real-time updates, future possibilities, and scientific predictions. The USGS and other scientific institutions predict that Kilauea will remain active and that similar eruptions may continue in the coming months. Some scientists believe that this activity could persist for an extended period, requiring ongoing observation. Conclusion: this latest eruption of Kilauea serves as a reminder of nature's immense power. Although there has been no major damage, this event provides valuable insights into potential future eruptions. The Hawaiian government, the scientific community, and tourists must approach this situation with caution.